What is up, guys? Restart here again, and yeah, welcome to my mod menu tutorial part 3. So we were going to write the A button for the functions of it, and yeah, here was D-pad up, down, B road, how to scroll, and the text, the title, uh, submenus, and options, how to open it, and yeah, so we're here in case A, you want to put self thread, two things right there. You can add some sounds again. You're gonna put self point function name self point curse whatever cursor en français, and three little things. If you want to put some like by example, I'm just gonna do an example right here. Um, menu equals uh trollolo. That's the function. So by example, if you want to go somewhere else, self thread, you want to put two things right there. Menu, two things again, and then clack clack. What? So that way, that what it looks like. So that's where you're gonna put self point function name, the menu name, and then where your cursor or whatever it's called, it is where it is basically. And then you want to close it, and then here for the argument or input, self point input, uh name, menu name again, and your cursor right there, and close it. And yeah, we're done with this one. So break, oh, break, then case B. So that exit a menu. If that means self sub open. You may remember, if you put this, if it's not, if it is. So if you're in a sub menu, just want to put um 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 um, um yeah, I'm gonna put self thread menu open self point parent, which means your menu that you were using before, and then else self freeze. Can add some sounds again. Freeze controls false. Self, did I add some other stuff? No. uh self 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 self, there we go. Self notify exit menu right there. So that ends this functions, destroys attacks and stuff, you know. And yeah, I'm pretty tired right now. Tired. So we're gonna go close it here. Self here we're gonna put self notify update update. So yeah. So here we want to put self point curse a little star equals, and then you want to do the same thing I did the other time, but like reverse. Now it's this, and then self point. I don't know how to explain it in French, in English. Sorry, so I'm just gonna try to do my best. Self point option name point size, but right now we're just gonna put point size, not -1 or whatever. So right now it's the same thing, but here's the little, I don't know, before it was like this, now it's this. Same thing for here, but before you got this and then not. So this defines the cursor whatever of the menu. And if you're new on my channel, whatever, or if you think I speak like really bad or I don't know. I'm French, so I just want to start with this. So yeah. What functions I need? Oh yeah, menu open function. Menu open. Here you want to put the sub menu. Whatever you can call it, whatever you want. So you want to put self notify exit menu. Sub equal str dot sub menu. So why I put this? Cause it's like it's separating the two things right there here. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put self thread run menu. Oh, sub 0 not O, sub 1, and then our test function test argument. You can put whatever you want, just I don't know, a letter, or just gonna put this self I print line. It's gonna print line your argument of it, and then close it. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think we're done with the menu. Yay. Um just let me see. Yeah, I think we're done. So yeah, we're done. Here's a mod menu for MW2, and if you think that was good and you want more tutorial and stuff, just tell me, and I'm made probably if you liked it, I'm probably gonna make a tutorial on Call of Duty 4 and Call of Duty 5, and yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. I want to say thanks to Rapidzz, I think, yeah, and Label HD for the like the original functions of it. I just optimized it a little bit, and like before it was just level point option right there. I just add some functions like this, and I optimize a little bit of this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, like you want to add a yeah, oh, we're just at 8 minutes, so I'm just gonna put an example of it. Um, let's see here. We're gonna put on player spawn right there. Self point shader equals um, by example, create shader, and then you put all your functions in it. You wanna put the alpha to 0, and then blah blah blah, whatever you want to call it. And then when you open it, you want to put your shader, self point shader point alpha equals whatever you want to put it. I'm just gonna put 0.7, and then that's like the shader of your scroller bar or whatever. So here we want to put self point shader, or you can put move over time 0.2 second, self point shader point y equals I L star 20 or 21, 22, whatever. I'm just gonna put this, and yeah, if you're having problems with like how to make it like scroll on the text, if it's too up, you want to put um how do we, yeah, like minus example 20, or if it's too down, like down under text you're selecting, I'm gonna plus make like plus 20 by example, or plus, you can go to plus 100 if you want, like plus 1 million, whatever. But I've it's exaggerating, but I know it is, but it's just an example of it. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And don't do this. Don't do what I just did. That's an example. In the clean patch, I'm just gonna make a raw file, and I'm gonna put in clean patch for PS3 and Xbox. Some codes for create chatter, create text, and stuff, and for this functions too, the buttons function for it, and example create text, because right here I put self-thread create text for the title of it. I'm just gonna put like what was it? Okay, yeah, the type of it, the size of it, position 1, position 2, X, Y, X, Y, and then what was it? The text, uh, the even 1 for destroying, even 2 for destroying, and even 3 for destroying, and then yeah, text equals self create font string type of the text and size text set point position 1 position 2 X Y, then text set text text and then self. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Destroy the destroy on function. I just forgot this. Uh, it's text. Even even 1, even 2, even 3. And then you want to put return text so it does the same things. So you're just gonna put the destroy on. So here's your element or your stuff. Your even 1, even 2, even 3. So we want to put self wait until underscore any. And then you want to put even 1, even 2, even 3. And then you want to put stuff destroy or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that's it. I think we're done. Yeah. So if you have any questions, just message me or add me on Skype. My Skype is RestxrtModz, same thing as my channel. And if you need any help, if you got questions, if you have problems, or I don't know, just tell me. I'm gonna try to help you. And comment if. Attends, maman, s'il te plaît. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. If you like this video, if it was helpful, or I don't know, just tell me. Comment of it, like it, and subscribe. So yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, love you guys.